Stand the fuck out, for God's sake. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about 10 marketing tips that no one told you before. You've been trying to build a brand, you've been trying to build a business, to escape the rat race, to scale your existing business, or start a new one. You've tried a bit of this, a bit of that. You've watched my videos, you've watched other videos on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram.
Wait. You watch other people's videos?
Bruh.
Wait a minute!
You run some ads, you've done some social media, but nothing really works for you. Am I right? If you feel like this video is for you. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified and get the knowledge before everybody else, and let's do this. Before I start, I want to ask you, and you need to answer honestly. Do you believe that miracles happen in marketing? That there are secret recipes that many scammers out there are selling because they know that people love them and look for them? I'm gonna tell you with huge honesty that there are no miracles. No secret recipes, only great plans, consistency, effort, and honesty. Now, the 10 tips that I'm gonna give you are things that I learned the hard way. By trying, failing, losing money, and understanding how things really work. If you don't know me, I'm Konstantinos from Simply Digital. I have a following of 2.6 million people on Instagram and TikTok, and I run a 7-figure business, Simply Digital, and all that only through content marketing. So, number 1, people, my friend, are not thinking like you and me. Most of the times, this happens to everybody, especially entrepreneurs. We have something in our head, a way of thinking, and we believe that everybody else thinks the same way. They understand our communication like the way that we do. They go through the same issues like we do. Guess what? This is not the case. People feel different. People have different lives. You are so much absorbed by your business reality that you believe that everybody else thinks the same way. And the most important thing, people won't spend minutes to understand what you have to say or what you bring to this world. They will give you a few seconds. So you need to communicate simply like you're talking to a 5-year-old child. Number 2, marketing is a journey, not a trip. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint. What does this mean? People have false expectations. Miracles don't happen overnight or within a couple of months. Marketing is not about selling, it's about creating value, telling a story that people will resonate with, building a brand, evoking emotions. This whole effort takes time, but this is what leads to trust, love, and your brand and your business becoming a no-brainer for them. Think of the brands that you love. What emotions they create to you. It's about winning the mind and the heart. So create a plan, stay consistent, and treat your effort to build a brand like the most important thing. Number 3, most people don't give a damn about what you say or who you are. Many of us have spent thousands of dollars to build a beautiful website, writing things on that we believe that is clear, communicates who we are, can convert them. We create beautiful explainer videos and promotional videos, write great articles, but people don't give a damn. They filter, they get visually attracted by things, beautiful visuals, great videos, short info. Titles play a huge role in anything we do on your website, on your videos, on your articles, and it's all about them. So always, whatever you create, make sure to understand who you're talking to and how to talk to them. Number 4, experimenting is everything. Nothing is given. What worked 2 years ago or 6 months ago or even 1 month ago to you or other competitors doesn't mean anything. The digital environment is so rapidly changing that we need to keep experimenting, adjusting. There's no such thing as one size fits all. So don't be afraid to try new stuff, but always give time to understand if that's the right plan for you. Number 5, never put all your eggs in one basket. Marketing is all about diversification, what we call as omni-channel approach. Expanding your digital footprint is what you should care about, not becoming over-dependent on one thing like Facebook or Instagram, on TikTok, on email marketing, or even paid advertising. I've seen that all the fucking time. People selling only when they run ads. Guess how is this gonna end? Very bad. The cost per click is always going up, will never go down. And for you to continue getting the conversions you want, you will need to keep spending more and more until this is no more viable for you. Diversify, try new stuff, build new platforms, create a safer plan. Number 6, Don't try to mislead people. This will always backfire. Be truthful. Don't try to sell anything you don't believe yourself or you wouldn't buy yourself because you think that people are stupid. Even if some people buy your crappy products, they will badmouth you. And guess what? It will not take much time before this backfires. So never overpromise, underdeliver. Always underpromise, overdeliver. Number 8, social media is not a nice to have activity. It's a top priority. Many brands, even in 2022, treat it like it's a nice to have thing. Oh, we have some time, we're gonna hire a young marketeer to make some posts, create some articles, improve our visuals on our website, create some nice videos, improve our aesthetics on social media and Instagram, and they believe that they did something. And then they hire a marketing firm, and the first thing they ask is how to increase my followers. My friend, nobody cares about your followers, and nobody will give you unless you upgrade your content like it's a top priority for you. And the content needs to serve the people on the other side of the screen, not you. This is how I exploded my business, by focusing on social media and creating content for the people that I would like to attract. I did it with TikTok, I did it with YouTube, I did it with Instagram, I did it with Pinterest. And that's what keeps bringing me leads and clients. Number 9, playing safe is the riskiest choice ever. What everybody else does, let's do it too. What worked 5 years ago in the fashion industry, let's do the same. Stand the fuck out, for God's sake. Stop copying, stop trying to be like everybody else, because my friend, nobody will remember you. You need to feel comfortable being uncomfortable. When I started going all in on TikTok, I had people telling me, Konstantinos, you're 40 years old. What are you doing on TikTok? Is your business a failure and you have so much time to create content for kids? Guess what? 1 year on TikTok turned my revenue from $500,000 a year to $5 million per year. By grabbing the attention and having almost 5 billion views in 1 year, only by creating videos for kids. And finally, influencer marketing right now is the greatest marketing platform. We, as creators, are becoming the preferred choice of brands. Instead of Facebook ads or Google ads, they use us as their voice in order to register the message that they want to the desired audience. The audience that already follows us and trusts us. So they use the trust that we have acquired for their own benefit. And this works so well. So if you want to try it for your brand, find a community of influencers that resonate with your brand story and seem to have a good influence in your desired audience, and build a long-lasting plan with them. Influencer marketing, like any other kind of marketing, is not a firework activity. It's all about registering the message again and again. So make sure to go after long campaigns, long relationships with the specific creators. Hope you found this video useful. Hope you revisit the marketing of your company, your brand, or your social media in a different way after this. Make sure to subscribe because many more are coming very soon. And until next time, simply hustle.